Oh boy, now this video is gonna be hell lot of fun. Yo people, this is Vimal here and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is gonna be super fun because I have something crazy to show you from Sony. Sony has recently launched their 2021 lineup of Bravia XR Google TVs in India, and this has already arrived and it's at my place, guys. So today in this video we're gonna unbox and check it out, and let me tell you, this TV is like a premium top of the line TV from Sony and packs some next gen features. It's the world's first cognitive smart TV, guys, because it packs Sony's all new cognitive XR processor on board that uses like human perspective AI to analyze picture and sound and give you like lifelike results. And on top of that, this is a Google TV. It's got like a triluminous pro display on board and a lot of other smart features as well. And the model we'll be checking out today is called as the X90J, guys. This is the 55-inch variant. 65 inches is also available, and it's a 4K HDR 120 Hz display, so it's also great for gaming as well. So without wasting any more time, let's get started with the unboxing. So guys, here is our brand new TV from Sony, the all new Bravia XR 2021 edition, the X90J. This TV is available in like 55 and 65 inches also. The one we have right now is the 55-inch variant and comes in this sort of huge box packaging. We've got the Sony branding, Bravia XR mentioned over here, and as I mentioned guys, this is a brand new model that was launched just a few weeks ago in India. On the front side, you've got the model mentioned over here, and this is a Google TV that features XR Triluminous Pro and world's first XR cognitive intelligent processor on board. And yes, as usual, this is a full array LED backlit type TV. So that is pretty much it, guys. There's nothing much mentioned on the box packaging. Let's quickly get started with the unboxing. Let me grab my knife and tear this seal on the packaging. And now let's see what do we have on the inside. So guys, as soon as you open the package, we've got an accessory packet at the top side. Let me give you a closer look at that and show you. So inside you get a remote control for the TV. It's the same remote that you get with most of the other Sony TV variants. And along with that you get some paperwork, and there's also a detachable mains cord, a pair of AAA batteries for the remote, and lastly some accessories for wall mounting. So these are all the accessories we got in the package, and here you go guys, these are the stands of your TV. The TV comes with this slim blade design stands that look quite stylish, and love the build quality also, entirely made of metal and feel quite strong and durable. And that is it guys, it's about time we finally check out the TV. So the outer cover slides out from the top side like this, revealing our brand new Bravia XR Sony TV. There you go guys, let me just take the TV out. Oh boy, the TV is quite heavy. There was no way I could do this unboxing alone, thanks to my dad here who's helping me out with the video. So guys, our first look at the Bravia X90J. Wow. The 55-inch itself is like quite big and heavy. I can't imagine how heavy the 65-inch or 75-inch variant would be. Anyways, let me just keep it on the box packaging and remove all these covers from the TV. There you go, there's also a sticker over here that says new 2021 model and comes with Sony's cognitive XR processor, supports 4K 120Hz, and it's a Google TV. So guys, what I'll do is I'll quickly install the stand to the TV and then we'll continue with the video. Installing the stand is also like very simple. It's just like plug and play, no screws or no screwdriver also necessary, just like this. And we're almost done. So I'll just quickly set up the TV, connect it to my Wi-Fi and use it for some days, and then I'll be back to continue the video. Alright guys, I'm back to continue the video. Sony's X90J is all set up and I've been using it for the past few days, right? So now I'll be able to share like my complete experience and feedback on the display quality, audio quality, and built-in apps and features, and we'll also talk about the special smart features available on this TV. But before that, let me first tell you about the design and the build quality. If you talk about the design guys, well, the design looks pretty similar to the other Sony TVs, and I have to mention the bezels on this TV are quite thin, especially on the sides and the top. You can see that the bezels are very thin, that makes it look like more premium and attractive, but the bezel on the bottom is definitely a bit thicker, and it has this nice premium glossy finish as well. You've got the Sony logo here and also a tiny status LED indicator just below that, and below that on the bottom side of the TV there's a special microphone enable button, and I'll tell you what that is at a later part in the video. Keeping that aside, if you talk about the stands are also like very attractive. It's got this metal slim blade style design stands, and they look quite attractive. Very easy to install them as I've shown you just now. So this is how the TV looks from the back side, and as you can see, the entire back is made of plastic. Build quality is nice, but I would have preferred to have like a metal finish at the back side. Anyways, you can see there are lots of vents at the top and the sides to let the heat escape and keep the TV running cool. You've got this nice brushed finish and X that says at the center with the Bravia logo, and this is where you'll be wall mounting. The wall mounting kit will be coming with the service guys who will be doing the installation, guys. You don't get that in the package. So let me quickly show you what do we have and all the ports and everything. So as you can see, these are the tweeters, guys. You've got the side firing tweeters over here, one over here and the other one on the other side. And on the bottom over here, you can see this is a mains cord. This is where you'll need to plug the mains cord, and that is pretty much it. There's nothing on the left. Now going to the right side, you've got the other tweeter over here, and both the bass reflex ports and also the full range speaker drivers are on the bottom of the TV, guys. Now coming to the side, all the ports are present on one side only, to the left of the TV. You've got two USB ports over here, an optical out is also there, 3.5mm headphone jack, and then this is the video in, and below that you've got four HDMI ports, but out of these only two ports are HDMI 2.1 that supports 4K 120Hz, and one of them supports HDMI EARC and ARC. You've got complete details over here, guys, so keep that in mind. And below that you also have an Ethernet LAN port, and lastly cable antenna port. And that is pretty much it, guys. These are all the available connectivity ports on this TV. So this is how X90J's remote looks like, and to be honest, this is the same exact remote that you would get with most of the other Sony TVs. Even 50,000 rupee Sony TV has the same remote, and that is why I was a bit disappointed, because this one is an expensive TV, right? Costs almost like 1.4 lakh rupees. So I felt Sony could have given a much more premium design, at least for the premium lineup of TVs. Build quality is nice. Everything is made of like plastic and has a brushed finish on top panel, and it's got like most of the buttons and also has dedicated buttons on it for OTT platforms like Netflix, Prime Video, and has dedicated YouTube button on it as well. Quality of the buttons is also nice, and there's also a dedicated voice assistant button with a microphone at the top side. Now that we are done with the design and the build quality, let's have a look at the home screen, and I'll show you just a quick overview on the UI, built-in apps and features, and also the settings. So this is how the home screen on the TV looks like, and first of all, let me tell you that Sony's X90J is a Google TV. It's not the regular Android TV that you guys keep saying. And let me tell you, there are like subtle differences between Android TV and Google TV. Yes, both of them are based on Android TV OS only, but the main difference comes in the UI, guys. As you can see, you're not having that usual Android tab kind of interface where you have like apps section on the left side and you can switch between different tabs. You have everything at the top over here. So at the top side, you've got the search section where you can basically search for any sort of stuff and Google will come up with that. And going next, you go the home section, guys, where the interface kind of looks similar. You have some shortcuts to your built-in apps and features. Then you've got some tabs which categorize into different tabs, like maybe you've got Amazon Prime, Netflix, and it shows you content based on your watch recommendations. And that is how Google TV's home screen looks like. Going next, see, on Android TVs, you have like a Google Play Store app built in, right? But on Google TV, that app is not there. Everything is like, directly on the home screen in this app section. At the top side, it shows you all the apps that are built into your TV and you can access it from there. And in case if you want to download more apps or maybe you want to search some category apps, then you've got dedicated categories over here, like maybe entertainment, games, or maybe like video players, editors, and stuff like that. There you can head over there in the category and search for your app that you were looking for, or you can even use voice assistant to directly search for that app. And let me tell you, you've got most of the apps that are same on Android TV only, guys. You've got all the entertainment apps, OTT platform apps, and most of them are like built into the TV only, like the Disney Plus, Hotstar, Netflix, YouTube. Everything comes like pre-installed. You don't need to download anything else separately. So that is one nice thing. And lastly, you've got the library section. So that is pretty much it, guys, our overview on the Google TV's UI. So what I'll do is I'll just quickly head over to the settings app and show you how the settings tab and UI looks like. You can quickly do that by pressing the settings button on the remote itself, and there you go, guys. A small UI pops up from the bottom which gives you like a quick glance over your general settings, picture settings. You can directly change the picture modes from here as well, adjust brightness and sound settings as well. Now if you want to access like the complete list of general settings, right, just head over to the settings and click on that, and now you'll get the complete list of all the settings available on the TV. And you can access all the picture and sound settings from the display and sounds option. And let me tell you guys, the TV has like plenty of sound and picture settings. You've got so many modes over here as well. Like standard mode is there, cinema mode is also there. There's a game mode specially designed, so you'll have great fun while playing games, especially on PS5. And then you've got graphics mode, and you also have a special IMAX mode also. So moving next, this is a premium category TV, right? So you're definitely having an ambient light sensor on the TV, which like automatically optimizes the TV's luminance and other settings to match your environment and give you the best resulting picture quality. So that option is also there. And keeping that aside, guys, you can adjust most of the other things like TV's brightness, color adjustments. You have Sony's exclusive settings also available, like live color, XR contrast booster, and clarity enhancer, and these sort of stuff. So you got like all the settings that you would basically want to have on your TV. And that is pretty much it. The sound settings are also like pretty similar only. So that's it, guys, our complete overview on the settings also. Now we'll talk about the picture quality, but for that, let me just play some video on YouTube and just check out this demo, and after that we'll discuss about the picture and sound quality. Okay, you guys saw that video clip, right? What do you think about the TV? Let me know your thoughts in the comment section down below. If you would ask me, see, this is Sony's premium category 4K HDR 120Hz TV, and there's nothing less expected in terms of display quality, guys. Display quality is awesome. First of all, let me tell you the specs of this TV. Sony's X90J is a 4K HDR 120Hz TV and has a VA panel on board and supports like a direct LED full array type backlight. And let me tell you, display quality is like really good. There's great amount of detail, text on it looks crisp and sharp, and no matter what sort of content you're watching on it, maybe games or you're watching movies, everything looks like awesome on this panel. And if you talk about the colors were also like rich and vibrant. Now come on, this TV packs Sony's triluminous XR display, and the colors look like rich and vibrant, and everything pops out on the display. And not only that, guys, the TV has like different modes for different type of content that you're watching. For example, if you're watching Netflix, TV has like a Netflix calibrated mode so that you can watch that series or maybe movie the way it has to be watched. And along with that, you also have like IMAX enhanced mode, so you can greatly enjoy movies the way they are meant to be on this TV. And one more thing I have to tell you is about the color calibration. The display on this TV is like very nicely color calibrated right out of the box, so I didn't need to tune anything, guys. It was producing like rich and accurate colors right out of the box. And if you talk about the dynamic range was also very nice. There was great amount of detail in both the highlighted areas as well as shadow areas, and it supports HDR10 content, supports HLG content, and also has support for Dolby Vision and Dolby Atmos, so you can greatly enjoy all sorts of content on this TV. And lastly, talking about the brightness of the display was also quite bright. You can easily enjoy HDR related content on it, and I had a great time watching movies on this panel. Now lastly, talking about the sound on this TV is also special, guys. It supports acoustic multi audio, and it's got like two tweeters, acoustic tweeters on the front side, and has two full range speakers on the bottom over here, and both of them produce around like 20 watts of output. And the audio quality on this TV was very good. Usually whenever I buy a TV, right, I'm like not satisfied with the built-in speakers audio, and I definitely go for an external sound bar. But that was not the case over here. You don't actually need a sound bar. The audio clarity on this TV was very nice. You could easily understand all the dialogues, and the audio output was also loud and sufficient. Now, unless you plan for something like maybe a 5.1 setup with an AV receiver that supports Dolby Atmos, you're good to go with the built-in sound system. So that was about the picture and the sound quality. Now let me share you my gaming experience with this TV. Sony's X90J features two HDMI 2.1 ports on board, and it's a 4K 120Hz TV, right? So it's also good for gaming. You'll have a great time playing games with your PS5. And if you talk about the other special features, well, it has like a special game mode with a reduced input latency of around less than 8.5 milliseconds as mentioned by the brand, and 120Hz support is also there, so you can do like excellent gaming. But to be honest guys, in this price range, I don't think this is the best gaming TV. Like, especially look at the competition. If you look at LG's side, LG is offering a OLED TV in their CX series that is priced like similar to this or maybe a bit less than this only. And there now you're getting VRR support, and you're also having G-Sync support. You're getting OLED. So that is like a much better option for gaming if gaming is only your priority. On this TV right now, you don't have VRR support, but Sony is saying that you'll definitely get VRR support like a software update maybe at the end of 2021 or maybe in future. We don't know the exact date. Wait a second, I forgot to mention about the voice assistant on this TV. It supports Google Assistant, you've got Amazon Alexa on board, and along with that you have Chromecast built in, Apple AirPlay is also there, plus HomeKit. And if you ask about the voice assistant guys, we are using Google Assistant only by default. And good thing over here is not only the remote has a built-in microphone, but the TV also comes with a built-in microphone for a hands-free experience. That means usually on most of the TVs you'll need to press this voice assistant button and speak into the microphone on the remote, then only you'll be able to get like the results on TV, right? But that is not the case over here. You've got a special microphone on board, and there's also a toggle button on the bottom over here, and once you enable it, you can directly ask the TV all your voice searches without using the remote. So let me just quickly give you a small demo of that also. See, right now I'm not holding the remote. Okay Google, play funny dog videos on YouTube.
Playing funny dog videos on YouTube.
So there you go guys, just like this you can get like a hands-free voice search results. Pretty cool, right? Well, that's it guys. That was my video on Sony's all new 2021 edition X90J 4K 120Hz HDR TV. It's a great overall TV guys, especially I love the display quality on it. With Sony's all new cognitive XR processor, they've definitely taken both the picture and sound to the next level. There is no complaint in terms of display section guys. It offers like amazing picture quality, and you'll definitely have a great time no matter you're watching movies or even while playing games. Audio quality is also pretty fine. You don't need to get like a dedicated soundbar unless you're planning for something like a 5.1 or maybe 7.1 audio system with a dedicated AV receiver. And if you talk about the special features, it's basically a Google TV, right? So you've got all the smart features built into it like voice assistant, and you've got Play Store support also, and everything else. Overall, it's a very good TV guys. You'll be quite satisfied with the features and all things. And the only thing that I was not that happy was with the price guys. I feel the TV is slightly on the expensive side. Now come on, this is a Sony TV premium 4K HDR TV, so price will definitely be a bit high, but considering the competition, I felt the price of this TV could have been slightly lower. It costs around 1,40,000 rupees in India guys, and for this price point now you're actually getting like OLED TVs of the same size in other brands. So this is the only thing I felt about this TV. So that's it for today guys. I hope you all enjoyed watching this video. Make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more new awesome videos. And I'll see you all in my next one.